Hello everyone, welcome to your favorite cat question quantifiers. So I hope you all are attempting the quizzes regularly because if you are, many people have improved their performance significantly, and if you are not attempting the quizzes, you are in a great loss. Please do attempt them regularly in order to catch up the speed and everything. The links to all the quizzes are given on the Facebook group, and the link to Facebook group is given in the description. Okay. Before we move forward, this is the description of the courses. We are going to close the enrollment for this year in a few days. So if you're interested, you can join with the links given in the description, or you can text me first. Okay. So let's see what today's set is all about. So for today's set, we have, there are 5 friends, Akash, Arvind, Amar, Ajay, and Arun. They have among them 10 bikes of capacities 100, 125, 150, 175 cc. Okay. Then there are some conditions that none of the 5 friends has more than 2 bikes. किसी के पास भी 2 से ज्यादा नहीं है और 5 बाइक्स हैं, तो यानी कि ऐसे 5 दोस्त हैं तो हर किसी के पास 5 into 2 10 bikes. So each one has 2 bikes. There are at least 2 and at most 3 bikes of any given capacity. So there are 4 type of bikes. So there are 2 bikes which are of the type 2 and there are 2 bikes which are of the type 3. मतलब कि जैसे कि 100 cc वाली 3 हो सकती हैं, 125 वाली 3 हो सकती हैं, and then there are 2 of 150 and 2 of 175. This is one of the feasible case, right? When it is given none of the 5 friends has both the bikes of same capacity, ठीक है, Amar has 200 cc is not a valid combination. Also, the capacity of bikes with any 2 of the friends are necessarily different. So if Amar has 100 and 125, any other person cannot have 100 and 125 cc. The sum of capacities of bike with Ajay is the highest. So Ajay has the highest combination, ठीक है, and Amar, Arvind and Akash each have 1 bike of the same capacity. So Amar, Arvind, Akash. So basically, Amar, Arvind and Akash have 1 bike of the same capacity, and Akash and Arjun. So Amar, Arvind, Akash, and then there are 2 people, Akash and Arjun and Ajay. So they cannot have the bike of same capacity, and Amar, Arvind, Ajay have 1 bike of same capacity. So these 3 people have 1 bike of same capacity, and so all of them have 2 bikes, bike 1 and bike 2. Now it is a very different type of question when it comes to directly logical reasoning. We don't have to give one answer. So basically there are 3 cases and we have to use the statements in order to fetch the answers, right? So there are 2 statements attached with every of the question. We have to use the questions one at a time and then combinedly to reach out an answer if possible, right? So Amar, bike 1, bike 2, and then some total capacity, right? Okay, so before we move forward, there are 4 types of bikes, and at a one time, there each friend has two bikes. So what are the total possibilities we have? The total possibilities we have is a bike can be of a bike can be 100 and 125. The bike can be 100 and 150, right? Another combination could be 100 and 175. Then the combination could be 125, 150. Then the combination could be 125, 175. And last combination 150 and 175. So these are the various combinations possible. The total being 225, 250, 275, 275, 300 and 325. Now Ajay has the highest capacity total. So Ajay can either have a 300 or a 325, right? अब 6 में से कोई 5 कॉम्बिनेशन मुझे 5 दोस्तों को एलोकेट करने हैं. I have to allocate 5 combinations out of these 6 combinations to these people, right? Now, in any case, what do I have? मुझे अजय को तो टॉप 2 में से कोई देना पड़ेगा, because if I am giving Ajay 275, then I cannot allocate the 4 people different capacities, right? And each one has to have a different capacity. So this is the case. Now, okay, which means one of these combination will go to Ajay. Now, if one of these combination will go to Ajay, then the combination left are 100 and 150. Okay. So, when I talk about these three people having same bikes, can I say these three people cannot have 175, 175, 175 as a common bike? Why? Because अगर मैं इनको 175 common bike दे रहा हूँ, then I am eliminating this, and eliminating this. Then Ajay cannot have the highest capacity. In the similar way, if I am giving him 150, 150, 150, एक एक बाइक मैंने 150 की दे दी तीनों को, then I eliminated this, I eliminated this, and I eliminated this. In that case also, Ajay cannot have the bike of highest capacity. So ये possible नहीं है. So there are two feasibilities. One, that they all can have a bike of 100 cc, and other they can have a bike of 125 cc. So let's say 100 दे दी, 100 दे दी, 100 दे दी, right? So if 100, 100, 100 is given, so 100 and so 100, 100 and 100. These three combinations are utilized. Then Ajay can have the highest of what? 125, 175, or 150, 175, right? And Arjun can have 125, 150, or 125, 175. Any of this, right? Okay. And these can have 125, 150, 175. They can shuffle also among themselves, right? They can shuffle. I know that Akash and Arjun cannot have a bike of same capacity, so 100, 175. So if this is 100 and 175, then this case is not possible. Okay, but these can interchange, so I can play around with that. I'll see according to the question कि मुझे condition बनानी क्या है. मैंने एक possible feasibilities लिखनी है कि इनमें से कोई एक combination I am going to choose. ठीक है, इनमें से कुछ एक choose करूंगा, पर बनाना क्या है वो भी देखेंगे आप. ठीक है, so ये एक केस था मेरे पास. अब एक केस कौन सा आएगा अगर मैं तीनों को 125 cc दे दूं. So if I am allocating 125 cc to three friends, 125, 125, 125 cc ये दे दिया मैंने. तो अब मैंने कौन से कॉम्बिनेशन यूज करे इन तीनों के लिए. नाउ आई हैव यूज्ड this one and this one. So in this case अजय के पास तो एक ही पॉसिबिलिटी बची 150 and 175. Now for him the options left are 100, 150, 100, 175. So 125 के साथ I can play around with 125, 100, 125, 150, and 125, 175. I can play around with this, right? I know that if I am taking this case, I cannot take this case. Again, I'll play around with this, but these are the two major possibilities, and then I can shuffle it around. Now, let's see the questions one by one. The first question says, which bikes of which capacity does Ajay have? तो मुझे अजय के combination को certain करना है. The first possibility says there are three bikes of 100 cc, which means I am talking about this case. I am talking about this case and not this case, right? So if I am taking about that three cases, then Ajay can have in these three cases Ajay has two possibilities, right? 125, 175, 150, 175. So using only first statement, I cannot answer it. सिर्फ first statement को use करके तो मैं answer कर नहीं सकता, right? Okay. Now, if I use only the second statement, the common bike between Amar, Arvind and Akash is 125. So if I am activating this case, then there is only one possibility that Ajay will have 150, 175. Which means using statement second alone I can answer, but using statement first alone I cannot answer. Which means, which is my option? If the question can be answered by using one of the statement alone, but not by option number one. So one is the required answer for this. Let's see the second question. There is an odd number of 100cc and 125cc bikes. So 100cc bikes are also 3, 125cc bikes are also 3. And the question is that bike of which capacity does Amar not own? Amar का मतलब certain करना है. We have to be certain about Amar in this case, because if we are certain about Amar, we will be certain about that which two bikes does he not have, right? So which case we are talking about here? 125. So both the cases are pretty feasible over here, right? If I am giving these three cases, 100, 100, 100, and in this case I am taking 3 bikes of 125cc. So one case this, then I have to give 125cc over here, okay, and 125cc over here. So मुझे ये केस कंसीडर करना पड़ेगा. I just mark it out. अजय के लिए मुझे ये बाइक कंसीडर करनी पड़ेगी. अर्जुन के लिए आई हैव टू कंसीडर दिस कॉम्बिनेशन. अमर के लिए आई हैव टू कंसीडर दिस कॉम्बिनेशन. और मतलब इन तीनों में से एक कॉम्बिनेशन ऊपर आएगा, ये दो कॉम्बिनेशन नीचे आएंगे. इन दैट केस आई कैन सेलेक्ट 3 बाइक्स फॉर 100cc एंड 3 बाइक्स फॉर 125cc, राइट? ओके, नाउ ओके Ajay, so first statement alone, 100 and 125cc bikes, I know that the basic condition being that Akash and Arjun cannot have same bikes. So 125 and 150 nahi aayega. So I can give him 100 and 175 to Akash, but I can still change these two. I can interchange these two. So which means I cannot reach to a certain conclusion for Amar. अगर मैं आकाश को 100 175 दे दूं, अर्जुन को 125 150 दे दूं, मेरी कंडीशन भी सेटिस्फाइड है कि इन दोनों की कोई कॉमन बाइक नहीं है. मेरी वो कंडीशन भी सेटिस्फाइड है कि 100 की 3 है एंड 125 की 3 है, और मेरी लेकिन फिर भी मेरे पास अमर का कोई डेफिनेट कॉम्बिनेशन नहीं है. ठीक है, आई डू नॉट हैव एनी डेफिनेट कॉम्बिनेशन. सो आंसर इज नॉट फिजिबल फ्रॉम दिस. ओके, नाउ इफ आई सी ओनली द सेकंड स्टेटमेंट, only the second statement gives me Arvind and Ajay do not have any of the two bikes of same capacity. Arvind and Ajay. So Arvind and अजय की भी सेम कैपेसिटी नहीं है और इन दोनों की तो सेम वैसे ही नहीं है. ठीक है, सो इफ आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस केस, नाउ देयर इज, रिमेंबर देयर इज नो कंपल्शन ऑफ ऑड नंबर ऑफ बाइक्स, राइट? आई कैन चूज एनी ऑफ दिस. सो लेट्स से इफ आई एम गिविंग 100 175 टू दिस, लेट्स से 100 175 टू दिस, देन आई एम गिविंग 125 150 टू दिस, राइट? नाउ आई कैन गिव दीज एनी टू कॉम्बिनेशंस, राइट? इसके लिए मेरे पास दो कॉम्बिनेशन बच गए मेरे पास. नाउ Arvind and Ajay do not have same capacity bikes, so I can give 100 150 and 125 175. एक possibility ये है, right? और I can give Arvind 100 125. I can give Arvind 100 and 125, and I can give this person 150 175. Even in this case, Arvind के पास अलग बाइक होगी. Arvind को मैंने ये वाली बाइक दी and अजय को मैंने बाइक दी ये वाली. एक केस, ठीक है, इन दोनों के डिस्टिंक्ट है, और यहाँ पे तो ये दोनों वैसे ही डिस्टिंक्ट है. अब एक केस मैंने बनाया जिसमें अरविंद के पास ये बाइक्स गई 100 125 एंड अजय के पास गई 150 175. अब ये भी कॉम्बिनेशन पॉसिबल है, which means using statement second alone I cannot answer, right? Second alone को मिक्स करके भी नहीं कर सकते. Now let's say if I am using both the statements. Now, if I use both the statements, now what are the possibilities if I use both the statements? Okay. Now, there is an odd number of 100 and 125cc bikes, so there are 3 bikes of 100cc and 3 bikes of 125cc. So 1, and if I have to give it here, this, and in that case, this would be this. अब मैंने ये बाइक सेलेक्ट कर लिया, मेरे पास यही पॉसिबिलिटी है जो मेरा फर्स्ट केस था कि इसके पास ये बाइक है, इसके पास ये बाइक है, और इन तीनों के पास ये बाइक है. Now I have to ascertain two things, that Arvind and Ajay should not have the bike of same capacity, which means Arvind cannot have 150 and 175. If Arvind cannot have 150 and 175, which means the only option left with Arvind is 100 and 125. In this case, he will have 100 and 150. He will have 100 and 175. He will have 125 and 150. He will have 150 and 175. Now all of my conditions are getting satisfied and I cannot even deviate Arjun and Ankush. ठीक है, क्योंकि इसके बाद 150 125 150 है, तो यहाँ पे ये कॉम्बिनेशन नहीं आ सकता 150 वाला, because my condition will not suffice. Now I can be sure that Amar has the bikes of 100 and 150cc. So which bikes he does not have? 125 and 175 he does not have, right? So that is the required answer. So basically, how do I reach to my answer? I have reached my answer by using both the statements together, not by using any one, using both the statements together. The last case. Which bikes do Arvind, Amar and Ajay have in common? Sorry, Akash, Arvind and Amir have in common. So ये तीनों के पास कौन सी बाइक कॉमन है? First statement says Ajay owns a 125cc. Ajay owns a 125cc So there is only one possible combination. This is 125cc. Now if this is 125 and 175, this must be 125 and 150. Right? Now if this case is eliminated, Ajay has only 125. This is happening in only one case, only in this case, which means they must have a 100cc bike in common. They must have a 100cc bike in common. Nothing else is possible, right? Okay. Now the second statement says Amar owns a 125cc bike. Now if Amar owns a 125cc bike, can I say in this case these three people can have 100cc common and also 125cc common? There are two cases possible, right? They all can have 100cc common or 125cc common, which means using statement 1 alone I could have answered, but using second statement I cannot answer. So the answer to this question would be first. This was third and this was first. So this completes my set, rather a very interesting one. I hope you guys have understood the explanation. If you did, please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much, guys, and have a great day.